That's when my brain exploded. And I was like, oh, this is actually a real social media direct response marketing play. One of the most interesting insights for me in the last 2 weeks was with Patrick O'Connor and what he was doing with his social media ads from his listing content. As most of you guys know, I'm not a big social media guy because I never really understood, okay, if I do 1, 2, 3, 10 posts a day, how is that going to take me from post to impressions to some type of either an appointment or some type of call to action. I commonly refer to that as direct response marketing. I never really saw that clear relationship that I can deem a playbook or a case study example. But I've been working with Patrick for, I don't know, a couple of years now. He always just say, hey, I get all this business from social media. And I just was like, Patrick's cool, he's suave, he's hip. Maybe he's just getting a bunch of business from social media because he's such a suave hipster in Lexington, Columbia, South Carolina area, Lake Murray. Then he actually showed me the other day, did 26 sales from social media. I'm like, well, can you break that down for me and help me understand what the heck is going on? And then ever since he actually completely broke the whole strategy down, that's when my brain exploded. And I was like, oh, this is actually a real social media direct response marketing play. It's an ad that drives to a particular result, and then the clients follow through with the result. And it actually blew away some of the crap, excuse my language, that I saw out in the industry. We've all seen, whether or not it's a YLOPO or like a GGMS or some company that calls you, there's some gal that's doing this training saying, we'll do social media sales funnels. And I've looked at everything. I've looked at all of the Facebook funnel ad strategies, and I've never really been excited or interested. And as you guys know, if it works, I want to know about it. So let's put our previous assumptions aside about Facebook and Instagram advertisement. Let's approach this with a fresh perspective. Walk us through a little bit about what your advertising strategy is, how it works.
I started out on Facebook pretty early on and was able to build up a business page to a pretty good following, which is a challenge. It's even harder now than it was when I started in 2015. I've got about 5,200 followers on my Facebook business page. And I also post on my personal page, which is maxed out at 5,000. So I'm constantly removing people and trying to add on the ones that matter because I do not know all 5,000 of those people. But looking last year from social...
One second though, let me just take a step back from that point. As you guys all know, everybody should pay attention to Gary Vee at least once a quarter. Everybody should watch one of Gary Vee's videos on YouTube, minimum standard. Let's all make that commitment. Okay, because he's always very up to speed on what's happening on the social platforms. And what Gary Vee has been saying is he's saying right now, Facebook is an underserved marketplace with a large population of people active. Where everybody moved to Instagram and they moved to TikTok, and he's also pushing people to LinkedIn. So he's saying right now in 2025, Facebook is a very good place to put your attention and to put your dollars. So that's very contrast to what I think most people are saying right now.
Hey, real quick. The number one question in real estate, what to do about a website and CRM. Coach Patrick Ferry has seen it all and has switched to Sierra Interactive because he saw firsthand the subtle differences, just like hundreds of tech-savvy agents that made the leap once they saw under the hood. Patrick says, Sierra's SEO infrastructure is best in class, so your website can get to the top of the search engines and now AI recommendations. Their CRM automations are 10 steps ahead, and their fully customizable automated marketing campaigns deliver 10 times the value of anything else out there. Plus, it's more affordable feature for feature than the competition, which reduces your monthly costs and costs per lead. Stop settling for expensive, pretty sites that do nothing. It will take an above-average, tech-forward agent to see the difference, and if that's you, join us. Step 1. Find Patrick's referral link in the description below. Step 2. Book your personalized demo with Sierra Interactive. Step 3. Let them show you exactly why so many mega teams and digital marketing savvy agents made the switch.